Hello and welcome to video 1, Prepayment and Accrual of Income. So let's see what we've got. You are the bookkeeper of Pershaw Products. You are calculating the amount of income to be shown in the income statement for the year ended the 30th of December 2017, and the following information is available to you. So the first bit is all about receipts. So receipts, money received during the year. So receipts from Aggie Surf Limited for commission during the year totaled £1,250. Receipts from advertising on the company website which received during the year was £2,720, and receipts from tenants for rental of flats owned by the business received during the year was £18,290. So that's the amount of money received during the year. So we'll see what to do with those in a few moments. Now the bit more involved bit now. Details of accruals and prepayments are as follows. So we've got the previous year, the year ended at 31st December 2016. So we've got commission income from Aggie Surf Limited. So at the end of that year, they were still owed another £100. At the end of December 2017, they weren't owed anything and nothing had been prepaid. Income from website advertisements. At the end of December 2016, again, it was in arrears of £150, so £150 was still owed. Now, at the end of 31st December 2017, it's gone in arrears of £250, so it was still owed £250 from its advertisers. Income from tenants for rent. At the 30th of December 2016, they had paid in advance £850, and at the end of December 2017, they had paid in arrears of £120, so they still owed £120. Right, so what have we got to do, Dan? You are to write up the accounts for commission income, advertising income, rent income, to show the transfer to income statement for the year ended the 31st of December 2017. So we've got a commission income account, an advertising income account, and finally a rent income account. So let's start with a commission income account. So let's see what it says about commission income. Now before we do it, first of all, the first thing you've got to remember is income is on the credit side. So income is on the credit side. So let's see what it says now. At the end of last year, the 30th of December 2016, commission income was owed by Aggie Surf Limited of £100. It was in arrears of £100, so they were owed another £100. So as income is on the credit side, that £100 will go on the credit side last year. So what I'm doing now, just to start working this out. This is not part of the actual ticket, this is last year's figure. So it still owes last year, so we would have had a balance carried down last year of £100. So let me just put in the date for the moment. So it's 31st December 16. So remember, that's not my actual answer, that's my workings out to my answer. So if I had a balance carried down at the end of last year, now I'm going to go to this year's commission income account. That must mean I've got a balance carried down on the credit side and I've got a balance brought down on the opposite side. So balance brought down of £100. And the date that will be the first day of the year, just the 1st of January 2016. So we've done the commission income from Aggie Surf Limited. It's been sorted. Now, income from website advertisements. Let's go to the income from websites now. So advertising income. And again, income is on the credit side. So income's on the credit side. And what's it saying? Income from website advertisements was in arrears of £150. So again, we were owed £150, so our income should go up by £150. And income is on the credit side. If we were owed it at the end of the year, that's our balance carried down. So again, this is just my workings bit. Just the 31st of December 2016. Now, we know we had a balance carried down on the credit side. We're going to have the opposite. Start the next year. Balance brought down will be on the debit side. The same amount, £150, and be the next day. So it'll be the 1st of January 2017. Don't mind if we had the arrears bit in December 2017. I'm just doing 2016 at the moment. Income from tenants for rent is paid in advance of £850. So a rental income. So again, income is on the credit side. Now it says that it was paid in advance by £850. So they paid too much, £850. So we've got basically reduced their income by £850. So to reduce it, the £850 goes on the opposite side, which will be the debit side, and that'll be our balance carried down at the end of the year. So that reduces the amount of income in our rental income account because they paid £850 too much. So if it's carried down at the end of last year, That means this year it'll be brought down on the opposite side, which will be the credit side. And the next day will be the 1st of January 2017. So that's dealt with all of the situation at the end of 31st December 2016. Now I'm going to go to the easy bit now. Right, Aggie surfaced the commission income, and we received that amount of money, 1,250. So just think of it. Again, it's on our income account, so it's on the credit side. So it's 1,250 on the credit side. Another way of thinking of it is the bank. On the bank account, it would be on the debit side. So on the commission income account, it would be on the credit side. So it's £1,250. And it's for the whole year, so it'll be the 31st of December 2017. I've just noticed that date there should be the 1st of January 17. So that's my commission income sorted there. Receipts from advertising, received on the year were 2,720. So against income, so it's on the credit side of my advertising. So that's 2,720. That's the bank. So again, it'll be on the bank debit side because it's income in the bank, money going in. So therefore, on our advertising income account, it'll be the opposite side, which is the credit side. And that's going to be the 31st of December 17. And then finally, got receipts from tenants for the year, totaled £18,290. Again, it's income, so it's rental income on the credit side. And it was £18,290. Another way to think of it, when it goes in the bank, money in the bank is on the debit side. So in this account must be the opposite side, it'll be the credit side. So that's the 31st of December 17. Right, now go to the last bit now. Commission income from AgriServe Limited. At the end of the year, there was nothing outstanding. So that means we've got no balance carried down on AgriServe commission income. So here I've got no balance carried down. So I'll come back to that in a moment to finish it off. On the website advertising account, we've got in arrears of £250. So I mean, we're still due more income of £250. So we're due income, it's on the credit side, so it's £250. We haven't received it yet, so it's the balance carried down. That's the end of the year, 31st of December 17. Now finally, income from tenants was in arrears of £120. So we were due another £120 worth of income. So it's income, so it's the credit side. We haven't received it yet, so it's going to be the balance carried down to the following year when we should get the money. So it'll be the 31st of December 17. Now we can balance our accounts. So the top one, we've got £100 on the debit side and £1,250 on the credit. So we want the biggest total of both sides. So that's £1,250 as well. Which means we've got a balance here of £1,250, take away the £100, which is £1,150. Now that's what goes to your income statement. It's what you received during the year, less what related to last year, £100. So that's now going to be the 31st of December 17. Now we've got no balance carried down, so therefore we've got no balance brought down underneath. So that's your commission income account completed now. Advertising income. Right, again, we've got the debit side is £150. The credit side is a much bigger total. So the bigger total is £2,970. So that goes on both sides. Then the difference is what goes to your income statement. The 31st of December 2017. So it's what we received during the year, plus what we were due, less what related to last year. So basically, your £2,970, take away your £150, it's just £2,820. So that goes in your income statement. Now, this time you do have a balance carried down. We've got a balance carried down, or we then must have a balance brought down on the following day on the opposite side. So it's the 1st of January 7 to 18, and it's balance brought down, and be the same amount, which will be £250. Finally, the rent income account. We've got nothing on the debit side at the moment. Everything is on the credit side. So we total the credit side, which is 19,260. So that means our debit side must be the same. And there's nothing there at the moment, so it'll be all be going to your income statement. So basically, you had a balance brought down from last year of 850, plus what you received for this year, and what was still due for this year is what's going to go to our income statement. So that's £19,260, and that's going to be the 31st of December 17. We've got a balance carried down here. That means we must have a balance brought down on the opposite side. So the carry down's on credit, so the brought down will be on the debit side. So balance brought down. The amount is 120, the same as the carry down figure. And the date is the next day, which will be the 1st of January 2018. So that's basically our 3 income accounts: commission income account, advertising income account, and renting account with accruals and prepayments of income. So thanks for watching this video.